If you got a copyright infringement notice on Amazon, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a DMCA counter notice and how to get your listing back up, that counter notice removed. Let's dive in. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. So the first thing you're gonna do is look at your performance notifications and you're gonna see something like this. Hello, we removed the listings at the bottom of this message because we received a report from a rights owner alleging that the product or product packaging on the listing may infringe the right owner's copyright. Boom. So that's not good. You can also check your account health and see if there's any issues here, and you should see it here, and you can check your performance notifications, and that's how you know you got a copyright notice. It should say copyright in the performance notification, so that way you know if it's a copyright notice or not. If it's a copyright notice, it's gonna look like this. You can also click in the account health tab. You're gonna click on it, and then there's going to be an option to submit information and appeal it. And this is where you submit the DMCA counter notice right here. So it's gonna look like this. Click on this button and then you can submit. There's gonna be an option, submit DMCA counter notice. When you submit the DMCA counter notice, right? Amazon's going to send you an email. It's going to say something. It might take a day, it might take 2 days, but Amazon will send you an email. There's an option in the appeal to submit the DMCA counter notice once you click on this blue button. And in the appeal, it's going to send you this, and they're going to say, hello, we received your counter notice, and the same will be processed and sent to the complaint within 40 hours. Please note that per DMCA, yada, yada, you have to wait pretty much. Please be patient with us as this process may take up to 16 days before we respond with a decision to reinstate. So this is what you need. Save it as a PDF, right? And then you're going to go to Amazon and you're going to contact seller support and say, hey, so you're going to go here, you're going to go to help, you're going to go to help and resources. And again, this is an email they'll send you around 2 days after you click that blue button and submit that DMCA counter notice. So there's going to be an option. Once you do that, save this as a PDF, that email, and then you're going to contact Amazon and you're going to say, hi, for ASIN. Then you put the ASIN. I submitted the DMCA counter notice. See attached, and you're going to attach it as a PDF. Please take note of this, as my listing should be reinstated by, and then put the date when it's supposed to be reinstated. And you just want to contact Amazon, just make sure they have it internally and you have a case log open just in case you have to contact them again, which you will. Next, now it's time to wait. It's going to wait 10 business days. It looks like 16 days. And what we did is we waited 15 days and then we messaged Amazon and we also attached the PDF again. So this is waited 15 days and we said, look, listing's still taken down. It's been 15 days. We need this reinstated. And we went back and forth with Amazon and finally they were like, oh, okay. I didn't know you submitted the counter notice. Thank you so much for the PDF. And you sent us proof. Okay, now we'll work to get it reinstated. Day 17, listing was back to active and back to reinstated. We just had to change it to fulfilled by merchant, back to fulfilled by Amazon. Boom, it was back to active. And that is the steps. Now, if you click on this button and you don't see a notification, I want you to call Amazon. There's going to be a contact us right here at the top. You're going to call Amazon and say, hey, before you submit any appeal, you want to call Amazon and you don't want to appeal it. You want to submit the DMCA counter notice, and you want to say that specifically, and you want to wait until they tell you exactly how to submit it if you don't know how to submit it. Also, if you did learn something new in today's video, please do drop like or subscribe. It's going to help our channel in the long run, and it's going to be a huge thank you for us. If you do need help with submitting a DMCA counter notice or even Amazon management, this is what we specialize in, and we've done it plenty of times. Those are screenshots of our actual clients where we got their listings reinstated. We also offer full account management, where we'll manage your Amazon Seller Central account. We'll make sure that we reinstate your listings as quickly as possible. Also increase the sales of your listings. Not only that, we are your experts. We're gonna be the one that's calling Amazon. We're gonna be the one that's doing all of your customer service and making sure your account is reaching your goals. Your only job is to make sure you stay in stock. That's what we specialize in. Contact EHP Consulting Group. Talk to you soon.